So in today's video, I'm going to show you this new style on how to, style your short natural 4C hair, and it will come out looking beautiful in just 5 minutes. You doubt me? Let's find out. So basically all we need to achieve this is just this foam right here. You can literally get it anywhere. It's so cheap, okay? So, and we're gonna be using this smooth side of the foam that have holes in it. I don't know if you can see clearly, okay? Not this rough side, this side actually, okay? And the second thing is that we're not gonna be wetting the hair. We're gonna be doing this on a dry hair. Please take note, all right? So the next thing you should do is to brush out the hair. All right, then after which you decide on the direction of the foam. So you decide on the direction you want to go with the foam, okay? It's either you go clockwise, which is this way, or anti-clockwise. So if you're gonna be doing clockwise, you have to maintain the clockwise all round, and if you're doing anti-clockwise, you have to do the same thing as well all round, okay? So that the coils will be in one direction. So I'm going to be starting from the side of the hair, and I don't know if you can see that. Okay, I'm going clockwise. This thing doesn't take time at all. This is one of the easiest style you should consider if you're in a hurry to go out and you don't have like 20 minutes or 30 minutes to spare on your hair. This style is the best for you, okay? This is how to keep your low cut beautiful and neat without any products. So as you can see, guys? Remember, I am using this side of the foam. I'm not using this side. Okay, this is the side I'm looking. It's already forming. Can you see that? Yeah, we're getting there. So for this side, so this is how I want it. I don't want it to over coil, all right? But if you want yours to coil more than this, you can go ahead and do more rounds, and you're gonna get it more better than this. So guys, as you can see, this is one of the easiest style you can go for. No products added, so you don't need to spend a lot, okay, on natural products just to maintain your short natural hair. Okay, I'm gonna also be sharing more videos on how to maintain your short hairs on a low budget. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, darling? Just click on that red button, all right, and turn on notification icon so you'll be notified each time I release a video. And also share this video to someone else you love that may not want to spend a lot just to maintain their short natural hair. It's just simple. So thank you so much for watching, and watch out for my next video. For now, darling, bye. Eyes falling in the morning sun,
Searching for the better day. People feeling like the sky has just come. People stand for